Welcome back to the series where I'm telling you how to make the most out of your vacation. We just landed in Cancun, so you know we got to get some Tecate so that we could take it on our ride with us, because it's probably going to be about a half an hour to an hour to whatever resort you're going to. It's probably too early to go to your room, so drop your bags at the front desk and head down to the beach. You're probably going to need a coffee and a Bloody Mary after that flight. I like mine spicy. Make sure you put some Tabasco in it or some habanero sauce. I eat habanero sauce with everything in Mexico. It's so good. Ask them if they have any homemade habanero sauce. And this was one of my favorite breakfasts. It's called divorced eggs. And I found a tequila that's similar to a Bailey's. It's called cream of tequila or something like that. Now, since you're at an all-inclusive, you're going to have to make reservations. I suggest you make them for all the restaurants. You can always change it at any time. But you want to eat everything, the tamales, whatever they have, try everything, and try some Mexican wine also. They usually do free lessons for their excursions like scuba diving, and make sure you dance, guys. Dance the whole trip, take a bike ride, go on adventures, explore. You can see Mayan ruins in Playa del Carmen, go into the city, go do shopping. There's so much things to do in this area, and it's really safe to walk around and explore. We took ours with a guide, but even the wildlife, there's wildlife all over the place. Like everywhere you turn in Playa del Carmen, you're going to see something fun. And again, dance, 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 dance. Mexico is all about the dancing. If you do get a chance to go off property, I suggest going to Chichen Itza. It's one of the wonders of the world. And that's it for Mexico. Follow me for more travel tips and hacks.